Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be looking at how to make a Christian YouTube channel, or any channel, it doesn't matter if you're not Christian watching this. And I'm going to be showing you the 3 ways to record, edit, and how to make your thumbnails, because I've been doing this for a while and I kind of know what I'm doing, even though my YouTube channel is small. So we're going to get right into this. So first, we're going to be talking about, I have my notes over here, that's why I'm looking. The 3 main ways to actually get your recording: the camera, DSLR camera, iPhone, or computer. So with the DSLR camera, it's pretty expensive. You could go on like OfferUp or like eBay if you want to, like, for any of these, to get any of this equipment that I'm talking about for cheap, or thrift stores, whatever works for you. But yeah, so with the DSLR camera, which I'm using to record right now, the audio is pretty bad by itself. So what mic you use, it just has to be either a lav mic, like the little black ones, or a shotgun mic, because I don't think you would want to carry this thing around, like Blue Yeti or any actual mic. If you, yeah, it's kind of weird. Anyway, editing. What you would do is, there's a memory card on the side. Just take it out after turning off the camera, put it in the back of the Mac if you're using that, the side of a MacBook, or anywhere you can on a desktop, or PC. I don't know how to use those, but yeah, iMovie, I used to use that. I thought it was good. It's free on Mac, but it kind of sucks now that I downloaded it like a few months ago. Filmora, I think it's free, but it also has it's not as good, and it has a water splash, or I forgot what it's called. And DaVinci Resolve I think is the best. It's free. It's like super good. Also Premiere Pro, I've been using the cracked version, but I deleted it because I kind of felt bad. I got it basically illegally, but anyway, yeah, because they do like $20 a month. So I just deleted it, went with DaVinci Resolve now, and that's how I'm editing this video. And yeah, those will be the same editing for any of these. Next is the computer. Mac, PC, does not matter. I don't really care. It's your preference. Voice, I would use any mic, really. But the main ones for starters, which you hear a lot of YouTubers talk about, is the snowball mic and the Blue Yeti. For editing, you're already on the computer, so it's the same thing: iMovie, Filmora, DaVinci Resolve, Premiere Pro. And next we're going to go to the iPhone, or any phone, Android, Samsung, Google, I guess now. For voice, it's either lav mic, or if you have like Apple, I would say the wired earbuds, the originals. They actually fit better in your ear than AirPods, I think, or the Gen 1s. But anyway, the wired ones have like the little thing that's also a mic. I used it. I'll show you like a picture of what I'm talking about. But yeah, that's for the voice. For editing, same thing. There's iMovie on the phone, but I would just airdrop your photos, or however, like how to get it to the computer, and just edit using the same Filmora, DaVinci Resolve, Premiere Pro, iMovie, whatever works for you. And next we're gonna go to the thumbnails. So I'm gonna go to the screen right now. Now I'm gonna get into the thumbnails, how to make the thumbnails. So I go on Google. This is the best website, I'm telling you. This is the best. It's literally a copy of Photoshop. Just a plain copy it's a web browser though, so it's not gonna really save anything. New project, it's called photopea 1280 by 720. That is like the thumbnail, size. Look, it looks complicated. I will tell you that it's very complicated. It looks complicated, sorry, but it's really easy. So let me just show you quick. This is the move tool. This is cropping. You don't really need to crop anything, not really. There's erase, gradients, and I probably will do something later on my channel talking about it. But there's photopea, which I think is the best for things. for like thumbnails, then there's Photoshop, the actual version. Then really good, it's right here. And yeah, I think I would do Picsart if you're on the phone and you don't have like a web browser or a computer. Then there's Canva, which, you know, people know about Canva, but I think Picsart is actually a better version of Canva, kind of. But yeah, so there's that. And yeah, those are like the 4 thumbnail makers. It's so easy to make a thumbnail, guys. Let me just look up an image like cross, because this is how you're gonna get people to actually watch your videos, and then you'll get better at it too. So instead of saving it on the computer to like put it in, you just right click, copy image, and you just paste it on here, so you don't even have to put it on your computer. Okay, that might have been confusing. I already went too quick. So I can move it like this, but to make it bigger, you go to edit, free transformation, and then you just drag. You see, and then it like kind of snaps on the edges. I'm gonna drag it. So you kind of learn this, and it's kind of like already like basic info. You know, it's like really easy when you get it, when you understand. Like if you're really gonna try hard on YouTube, I think you should at least learn the basics of these things. And also DaVinci Resolve and all these editing programs seems hard and like, oh, I don't want to do this, or I'm gonna pay someone. It is so easy to do this, guys. Well, I'm not gonna say so easy, but you know, it's easy. So I just clicked text and clicked it on where I was at. I'm gonna move to the color right here. I could change the size, but I could also change the size later, so I don't even have to like touch this. You could download fonts on here. I have my fonts already. I know how to say it in my head, I just can't say it out loud. Anyway, I'm gonna click on this. I'm just gonna say hello, guys. And then to like actually get into like the info, to like change all this to look cool, right click this, do blending options, or you could just double click. So that I'm not even gonna get into right now. But anyway, there's stroke, not a stroke, but stroke. Right here, you could change it. You see that I don't do because it usually looks ugly. What I do is a drop shadow, and that looks kind of ugly right now. So I'm gonna click on it. See, opacity, I'm gonna put it all the way up. Then angle, it just literally moves the angle. I'm gonna do it like here, you know, where it's like on the bottom right. Distance, I want to put it close. See how it looks a little better now? And then spread is like, you know how it makes it really bold. So I'm gonna put that all the way up, but it looks ugly like that, so I'm gonna put the size down. See? And you could also change this so it looks more natural. Put this down, you know, or the opacity down. But there. And there's also layer styles, which I'll get into. So I think I'm gonna put this in the description, and it's gonna be a pack which you open to let me see, open to get all the editing stuff. So I think I'm gonna do this. I did get this from other people, from like when I used to do Minecraft stuff, so it might have some of their stuff, and I can give them credit, which I want to do, but I kind of forgot every single YouTuber like I got the packs from. So this might actually be the thumbnail. But anyway, let's see, this PID, Geo's thumbnail stuff. So I made this myself. Open it. Like if you guys download it, it is not a virus, guys. I'm gonna use like Mediafire. I think I remember using that. Do not click any of the weird stuff on Mediafire, because I know there is viruses on there. I think there's a thing where you have to wait 5 seconds and you'll get it, but if that's too risky for you guys don't have to do it. But yeah, see how there's layer styles, how it looks cool, like the yellow. I got that, and you could also change the color. I'll show you guys how to change the color. I got these little folders with stuff. These are none of this is mine. I'll just tell you this. None of this is mine. I just made a pack with like, you know, stuff. Then you click this eye to actually see it. So you got highlight. It's like this little border that you see a lot of YouTubers have. Got this sunburst. You could also change the opacity so it's a little more transparent, because these are like really solid, you know. So you could do a lot of stuff. X's, these borders, which they're too big so you can't see the other side, but it'll be like a border all around. There's also lighting, like exposure, brightness, vibrance. So we're not gonna mess with that in this video, but let me show you this. So to save it, you could drag it like this to here and it'll be here, see. But to save the actual like color and stuff, go to blending options, right click, see this, define new. So now it's its own new thing, style added. So when you click on here, see it's its own thing. Now this is so easy, guys. Color overlay, change the color to, let's say, any color. I'm gonna go green. Oh no, that's actually a very ugly color, green. Like that, green. And it looks really ugly because it's yellow mixed together. So I'm gonna click on this, that's white. Inner glow. So inner glow, I'm gonna make green as well. I'll just make a lighter green. Still kind of looks weird. So I'm gonna go to drop shadow. That's the dark orange. So I'm gonna do dark green. So it looks better. So you could change everything. It doesn't even have to be this. It could be any font, any style. There's so many possibilities in doing YouTube thumbnails or anything. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was a very quick video, but yeah, I'm just going through what to do on the internet, just how to make a quick YouTube thumbnail, how to record. I'm telling you, I've been doing YouTube for so long, and I guess like recently it's been a bit successful with my last video, but like you probably won't be getting a lot of views even if you make good content. But you know, God, if you're making good content, it's true and stuff, and like you actually enjoy it, I think God will make it successful and more people will see it. But it's not all about the popularity, which it's pretty hard on YouTube to like not try to check how many views you have and stuff, and just keep checking. You know, you get like discouraged when, you know, you're not really doing that good on your channel. But yeah, none of that stuff matters. It's just about talking about God and sending it to the internet where thousands of people could see. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, put it in the comments, because I will answer every comment if I can about questions, and I'll make future videos about editing and stuff, because I've been doing this for a while, video editing and graphics. So yeah, bye.
I'm about to step in the ring for the fight of my life. Hit my knees and I strap on my gloves. Boy, I've been prepping since like I was 7. And thing is, I'm already covered in blood. Walking in love, this for the ones who've been stuck in the mud, searching for hope. Trust me, I know what it feel like to drown in my problems, but God came and threw me the rope.